So, pangatlong bahay na nga to na tinatry kong i-demo itong Tapo C200C. And actually, nagtataka ako, bakit kailangan sa 2.4 GHz connection i-connect kung meron namang 5G? At dahil dyan, gumawa tayo ng konting research. First, for wider range coverage. 2.4 GHz signals travel farther and penetrate walls better than 5G. So ideal siya for placing cameras in corners, outdoors, or distant areas from the router. Second is compatibility with most routers. Nearly all Wi-Fi routers, even older models, support 2.4G. So it ensures that users can install the camera without needing an upgrade. And third is lower power consumption. Devices operating on 2.4G typically use less power, which is important for home devices like cameras that run 24/7. Fourth is stable connection for low bandwidth needs. Tapo cameras don't need ultra-high speed. What they need is stability. 2.4G offers reliable, consistent performance for video streaming, especially in homes with many connected devices. So in short, 2.4 GHz is more stable, wider reach, and ideal for smart home devices like TP-Link's Tapo C200C. So ngayon, alam na natin bakit nga ba kailangan sa 2.4G i-connect ang ating Tapo C200C. And dahil sinisipag ang lola nyo, pakita ko na rin sa inyo kung nasaan ang lagyanan ng SD card and ang reset button. Ayan, dyan po. And dahil mahal ko kayo at alam kong kailangan nyo ng extra security, click nyo na dyan sa ating yellow basket. Thank you!